Elfie was a master student who looked at energy management at our Cologne site. And we were so thrilled about the work she did for us that we have offered her a PhD on energy management systems. Because Elfie had a lot of experience during her PhD, we created a position of energy manager at group level.
Elfie is 27 and she's already a group energy manager. Her role is really to create a structure for energy management, and I know that she's very enthusiastic about that because energy is really her topic.
Our sites have challenging policy out there today, and she's in the middle of it.
She has to bring new solutions to the table and make people understand that they should do things differently. She's really someone that has a lot of leadership and also entrepreneurship, two key qualities that really represent what Ineos is. She will always push through and try to be the best in her job, and you can see that also with her sport achievements. Elfie's passion for sport is more a lifestyle.
She's a 400-meter runner, she's a hurdle runner, she's extremely good at it, she has pushed her limits.
You don't become fifth at the Swiss Championships in 400 meters if you don't like challenges, and she did that during her PhD. She's always saying yes to new experiences, like for example, a couple of weeks ago, she went skydiving. The work that she's carrying right now is going to make things change, because it's not only about turning off the light and so on. This is really finding solutions that you can implement and that can make your site more sustainable and consume less energy.
Working in the energy efficiency with Ineos was my dream. I could see that my work was valued and you can actually have an impact. Working with Ineos gave me a lot more confidence to be heard at the group level for this sort of project and find solutions to answer to those big questions. That is really stimulating.